potatoes, main body of CEPELINAI. You need both raw and a little boiled. Raw potatoes provide starch and texture. Boiled potatoes keeps the mixture from being too watery and helps it bind. Choosing the right potato is the most important step for CEPELINAI, since these dumplings rely on the potato starch to hold together. The wrong variety can make them fall apart or turn gummy. Grating the potatoes is probably the trickiest and messiest step when making CEPELINAI, because the texture is key. How to tell if a potato is good for CEPELINAI? Look for floury or for baking, roasting or mashing on the bag. Floury potatoes often have thicker, rougher skin. Work fast. Potatoes oxidize, turn grey quickly. Place grated potatoes in a cloth and squeeze out as much liquid as possible.
Let's not rush, take a breath. Let's not talk at once. Protective of my peace, I can feel your off. You can't bring me down, can't bring me down. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down. Both sides want to be heard. Let's pause for the music.
Save the liquid in a bowl for 10-30 minutes while starch settles at the bottom.
Protective of my peace, I can feel
Combine grated
your
raw potato and mashed boiled potato.
You can't bring me down, can't bring me down.
Let's prepare pork filling.
Let's cool down, baby. Let's cool down, baby.
Discard the water and mix that white potato starch sediment back into the grated potatoes. Mix into a dough. Take a handful of potato dough, flatten into a patty. Place 1 heaped tablespoon of filling in the center. Gently fold and seal into an oval zeppelin shape, hence the name. Carefully slide in CEPELINAI into the boiling water. Boil 25 to 30 min until they float and feel firm. Traditionally, CEPELINAI are served hot, topped with a sauce of fried bacon and onions mixed with sour cream.